Hi. Put you right there. Yeah, okay. Hi. Hi, I have two hands. It's good. I don't know what to do with both my hands. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Hi, Toby. But yeah, hi. That's where I hit my head, and it's been like a long time and it still hasn't healed fully, and that's not nice. Okay, hi. My shirt, it says the future is female. And then my jacket is Cleveland, Ohio, because I got it in the airport in Cleveland, Ohio, because I was with Grandma, and Mom wouldn't let me bring a jacket, so Grandma bought me a jacket, because our grandma's the best. There's no cats. There's definitely not two cats over here. They're not in the frame, so it's okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to talk about. Talk about my day. We cannot. Oh, you talk about my walk home. So I had walked. So I had walked this way, and then on this corner here, that's a bunch of like mess. But over here, because it's like an empty lot. Well, it's not an empty lot, it's a protected lot. Because there's the owls. Because in here, there's owls, and you're not allowed to build there because there's owls. They're like this big, they're little burrowing owls, and they're really cute. But yeah, I saw them because they're nocturnal like me, but they don't sleep during the day. I don't know. They're like vampires. I'm a vampire. See? These are my fangs. They're kind of sharp. But yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah. My hair's long. I didn't brush it, but that's okay. I don't need to brush it. It's okay. So yeah, I saw the owls, and they were cute, and I walked home. I saw flowers. I saw a bee at Buzz, and that's a thing I do, because bees are buzz. That's what my brain has to say to make things work. Because like, bees are buzz, cars are beep. This is why people don't like me, because I'm annoying. But it's okay, you love me, so it's good. This is a table. I haven't sat at this table since we got this table. No one sits at this table. But I wanted like my phone to be there so I can use both hands to talk. It's like, look, I have two. There can be double thumbs up. Say double thumbs up. Didn't work, wait. I'm just covering my face. And then we can do it on the eye that has the hearts, and then it'll be a lot of hearts. Hearts are like, not there, are like here. I want to, like, one of these is going to be reversed, so I don't know where I'm supposed to put my hand. This is why I'm not good at anatomy. I'm not terrible, I'm just not great at it. Okay, yeah, hi. I'm not standing up straight, because if I stand up straight, then it's like this, and it's weird, so I have to like, go like this. I mean, I guess technically my back is straight, it's just like, not. It's smart. I don't know what to do with my hands. I did a thing, but I'm gonna do the thing after this because I need to get out my energy. But I have too much energy, but also not much energy. And I don't know if that's loud, so I have to stop doing that. Remind. See, I smart. Remind me not to do that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I didn't sleep last night, but that's okay. And I'm not sleepy, but like, I don't know. I should sleep tonight. It's like the thingy thing. I entertain myself, which is good. Because you gotta work, just not good. School. Talk to Catherine a lot. She's not nice. It's okay. This entertains me way too much. Cause it's like the thingy thing that goes like, it's like the thingy thing, but then it goes like, doop, 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 doop. You know what I'm talking about. You go inside my brain and read my brain and you know what I'm saying. Why am I poking myself? Why am I like this? I look dead. Dun dun dun. Cause like in the cruise with the film, that's my favorite. And it's not my favorite, but one of my favorites. You should watch Defending Your Life, but you probably won't like it, but you should still watch it. Cause like it's good. It feels weird having like a neck, cause my polo shirts, I used to like, I didn't have this, now I do, and it's weird. I keep like doing this or like this when I'm awkward, cause that's always, but yeah, that's what I do a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. I love you though. I love you a lot. I've not been good, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know how to make it better. I love you though, like a ton. Like my love for everyone else. My love for you is up there. See? Wait. Can you see? Can you see? There we go. Yeah. I look like a blobfish. I kinda do, because my skin's like kinda that color, which I'm not mad at. So like, I can be a blobfish. A blobfish, that should be a thing. I want a fish named Bob. I have a habit of calling fish fishies, which makes me sound too. So I do my best not to say that, but I like saying that. That's how I usually talk, and that's not good. I don't know. This isn't really a theme video, like a purpose, like there's Greek mythology videos, there's a watch this when you're insert emotion here video. This is just a video of me talking and just like existing and having two hands. Didn't think I had that, did you? Nope. Why am I like this? I don't know. It's okay. I'm creative. Let's go with that. So yeah, I did a thingy, you'll see the thingy later, but I need to not be like this. Yeah. So, I don't know. I want water. You needed to know that. Hi, Des. My face is kind of pink. My hands are like pink-ish. It's Friday though. You don't work Saturday, right? Right? Please. Don't work Saturday, because you cannot work Saturday. And you can like clean your room and do something that like it makes you happy and not have to deal with mom, and it'll be good. Yeah, okay. I'm following. Okay, wait. There we go. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Explain how to human, please. Okay. I kind of look like here because I imagine you being here, like here. And I know when you're on anniversary. I smart. Yeah. Okay. So in that video, you kind of look to the side. I'm gonna look to like you're here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to do. I want to take off my jacket because it's hot. But I don't know. I mean, I can. Like, I don't know if I want to. No, I don't need to see that message yet. I'll wait for it to go away though, because if I do the swipe up thingy, then it makes a noise, because every time I tap the screen, it makes a noise, and that's not good. Yeah, okay. I love you, like a lot. More than Greek mythology, more than suckers, more than band-aids, more than blue. Said blue, not whatever. Blue. I'm saying it right. Yes, I think I am. Yes. So yeah, more than cats, more than reading, more than everything. You're my favorite. You're my person. Also, I'm really upset that she's your work wife. I was here first. I can't be the side chick, because I was here first. I'm your bestest friend, and you were my secret fake girlfriend for like ever, so that's not fair. That's not nice. That's not nice. Nope. You can show her this video I put, but don't show her, because that would be really embarrassing, so we're not gonna show her. Okay, deal. I do this way too much, because like every time I get a problem right in math, I go like this, because I'm 2. And Mr. Nicholson, he just like, okay, Jules, he doesn't like me, and it's kind of sad. Miss Peace likes me. No, she laughed at me. I think she likes me though, because I do my work, because I'm a good child. Yeah, I don't know. I like this jacket, but like it has like wings. It's one of the few jackets that like it's not really long on me, which is good, because sleeves are usually really, really long on me. I don't know why, but yeah, they are, and that's not nice. Ooh, 14 minutes. I meant to stop this a couple minutes ago. I keep doing that, and I don't know why. Okay. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. Because I can't talk to you, and that's not nice, so I gotta talk to you. Alright. Alright. No, I don't want to go. Fix it. I don't want to go. I like talking to you, even if I'm not really talking to you. I can pretend it makes me feel better, so I don't want to go. What if I just stay here forever? I can sit here and I can do stuff. I don't know what I can do. Yep, that was good. I need water because my throat is not being nice. But I don't know if we have water. Cause like we have tap water, but cause like I live in Cape Coral, right? But I'm kind of like pretty close to Fort Myers. So like my water isn't good. Like it tastes strange and you're not really supposed to drink it if you don't have the purifier thingy, which we don't have. So like it tastes like nail polish remover. I don't know what nail polish tastes like, but I do know what nail polish remover tastes like. Just like a little bit. I don't know. I have no explanation for that. I don't know. But yeah, it tastes and smells like nail polish remover. And go like this. My pupils are big. I don't, oh, this is too long of a video. I messed up. I can't fix it now, so you get this. You're welcome. Sorry if you hate it. I love you. Okay. Don't want to go. Okay. Bye, Des. I love you. I don't want to. Toby? Okay, I have to go. 1 second. Bye-bye.